If you've been locked out of your Discord account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the official Discord website or open the Discord app. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. Before starting recovery, use the SROCOM link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Discord account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Check your email inbox for password reset email from Discord. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link to the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Discord security requirements, then confirm it. Save the changes to complete the reset process. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Discord account with your new credentials. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.